Now you look at. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Kishore. Kishore, I'm sending the link in the group. Beta. See, Kishore, get ready. Some very important questions only we are going to solve. Okay, definite and indefinite integrals, both part, very, very important questions for tomorrow for your exams where you can get the questions like that question we will solve. So the first question of NCRT, which is very important, you need to just say you are able to solve or not. Just see the question. Question is, if they will give you, this question can come for 3 marks. Okay. The question is sine 8x minus cos to the power 8x by sine to the power 8x cos to the power 8x by 1 minus 2 sine square x cos square x dx. So this is one very important question. Can you start solving, please? Can you start solving it? Because once you are seeing the question, you must understand that it is exactly going to be solved by you or not. Come on, go for it, please. This is a very important session. Understand this one. Sine 8x, cos 8x, this part is there. So quickly we will start solving the questions without wasting the time. Because these type questions will be coming very important and they will be asking. Sadhna, yes, good evening. So let's start the session. Better start understanding the questions, how to solve this question. What we will do first is when we are solving this question, just check this one out. This will become sine to the power 4x plus cos to the power 4x, and here it will become sine to the power 4x minus cos to the power 4x by 1 minus 2 sine square x cos square x. Now here this part dx will come. Now here this section will be sine square x whole square. See my presentation, cos square x whole square plus 2 sine square x cos square x. We have added this one and we have also subtracted. So already in class I taught you this. Now look here. Sanjana, look here, beta, solve these questions. You did not came school now, so I was worried. Before exams, I wanted to attend some of the offline classes that I will be talk to you about strategies to pass examination and get good marks. So here it is 1 minus 2 sine square x cos square x dx. So this is self-added and self-subtracted. So sine square x plus cos square x whole square. Understood not? This part whole square minus 2 sine square x cos square x. Okay. And then this part we will take out minus. So it will become cos square x minus sine square x. And this section will become beta 1. So no need to write anything, dx directly we will write. Denominator part will become Kishore, did you solve it? Kishore, did you got the answer? Anyone? Because today, tomorrow, Oakland exam is there. So it will become down is 1 minus 2 sine square x cos square x. So because this part will become 1, so 1 minus 2 sine square x cos square x by 1 minus 2 sine square x cos square x cancel. And here it is coming as minus cos 2x dx. So integration will come cos 2x dx, which will become minus sin 2x by 2 plus. So this is one part questions which is exactly coming. So did you got the answer? So this is the way first question we have solved. Some of the most iconic questions of CBSE we will take, which already came in board examination, and then we will solve the questions. Yeah, 12th class, I'm really tension here. These children are not joining sessions, not coming. I hope you have done this work, beta. Shall we go for the next question, please? Now look here, this is one part question we have finished. Now we will go for the second question. Without waiting, we will be going. See, look here. One sections like questions will come like this. Trigonometry is one of the most important part from where one question we are expecting. Okay. Unwanted questions they will not give. They will give that pattern questions which will be having a width. Okay. Like one question I'm giving you, try to solve this question. Like this is a very unique question. This question can come in your examination. Have patience and solve this question. Sine to the power 4x and cos to the power 4x. Long back they have not asked this question. So this question is very, very important for you. Try this question. Come on, go for it. Try this question. Can I give you a clue how to solve this question? Children, do you need clue? Do you need a clue how to solve this question? Minus cos 4x by 2. That's not well judged answer. You need to judge it very nicely. One time judge it or what you have written, you judge. Can I solve? Because I gave you enough time. Now look here. First work is, check this one out. Sin x cos x to the power 4 dx. First step over. Next one. Here I want to put 2. Okay. So what I will do is 1 by 2 into 2 sin x cos x to the power 4 dx. So here this 4, it will become 2 to the power 4. Now here it is coming as 2 sin x cos x to the power 4 dx. So it is coming 16, and it will become sine 2x to the power 4 dx. Here only you did misjudging. Here only Shivaranjani you did misjudge beta. You misjudged the question because 4 part is still there. Now here it will become 1 by 16 sine to the power 4 2x dx. This is exactly the way place where the students are doing mistake. When you are solving, this section is the most stupid part. And here only you have to have a grip. Understood? So now beta you need to be little careful after this. You just do one thing. Sine square 2x whole square dx. And we know that sine square 2x will become 1 minus cos 2x. So here it will become 1 minus cos 2x whole square. Understood? By 2 whole square dx. Because beta what is the formula? Cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. So it will become 1 minus cos 2x by 2. So since 1 minus cos outside the square is there, so directly I did square. So this part will become 16 into 4 will come out, and then here it will become 1 plus cos square 2x minus 2 cos 2x dx. This is exactly the part. So 1 by 64 dx. Now here cos square 2x will become what beta? Again cos square 2x came. So this is again testing question. So cos square 2x. Now beta look here. Cos square x is 1. 2 cos square x minus 1 is cos 2x. Okay. Now here you shift this one this side. So it will become what? Cos square 2. You said cos square 2x minus 1 is this much. So this one will shift. So it will become 1 plus cos 2x by 2 is cos square x. Okay. But here cos square 2x is there. So here since cos square 2 will be there, this cos square 2x will shift this side. So what it will become? Check this one out. Cos square 2x, what shift will be there? What shift value will be coming here? Check this one very nicely. Sine square will be there. Sine square 4 part will be there. Sine square will shift and it will become 2x. So after shifting sine 2, so here sine here 2 is there. So this part will become 4. So here all will become 4. And here if it will become 4 means now cos square here 4 is there, then this part will become 8. Very carefully do this question, otherwise see little bit what I did is 2 double will become 4, 4 double will become 8 to solve this one. So it will become 1 plus cos 8x. Understood? And again 2 will come minus 2 cos 4x dx. So like this question will be solved. Now you check how to solve this question. 64, this much part is there. Now we can do this. We can solve this question beta. Can we? Shall we start solving the last part of the question? Check everyone. Did you got the answer? So here it will become 1 by 64. This part will become x. 1 by 64. One part will become x. Correct or wrong? Check. Because here one value will be coming because a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this part I have taken out common. So this one will become 1 value will become 1. And here again 1 is there. That we will solve afterwards. So here it will come 1 by 2 will be there. So 1 by 2 part will again come out. So it will become 1 by 2x. Now with this half cos 8x will become sin 8x by 8. Okay. And then minus 2, this part will become sine 4x by 4 and then plus c. So this is the final part of the question. So beta if these type questions are coming means you need to be very careful. So here it will become 3 by 2x, okay, and then plus 1 sine 8x by 16 minus, here it is coming as sine 4x by 2 plus c. Check. So whenever these type of questions are coming, definitely these things are going to trouble you. So 100% when you are solving this question, you must, good evening learners, you must solve the questions rightly. This is the second most important questions of this year board examination. So all like 20 to 50 questions every time we are going to solve, and we will keep this as a practice question. This is second trend question where degree will be power for trigonometry. So these two questions must practice with formula for sine 2x and cos 2x formula. Okay. So these are the two questions we have done. We will go for the next question, which is again an important question for this year. This year, why? Because in CBSE 2022 they have asked this pattern question, and 2024 also this pattern question came. Come. Yes. So 2024 question pattern also this question came. Every time you sit here and solve every question and show me. So when you are solving, Danish, are you there? Hmm. Corner forms of the okay. You see, same pattern questions what we are discussing now, they are asking. Integration is there, will ask these type of questions only. Now look here, beta. See these questions many times I taught now. Same questions are coming. Inverse trigonometry. Correct now? Yes. So now beta, these questions please solve. Now next question, please go for it. So this is the third pattern question. This is the third pattern question from trigonometry. Two pattern questions just now I solved for indefinite integral. This is the third important pattern question right now. This question means it will be depending on sine and cos formula. Already we have done this type questions, but one question randomly I am giving you for CBSE 2022. Come on, solve this question. Sine 3x into sine 2x dx. I will not tell you anything. Just try and solve this question. It depends upon one formula. That formula you need to remember because in board exam they may be asking these type questions. Specifically for MCQ questions means you can't do anything. It will come. See, formula, sine and cos formula is very important to remember. Please kindly reconsider that part and solve this question. And sine will be there, then what answer will be coming? Come on, can I solve? Very good, Sadhana has given the answer. Little bit I am not okay, fine. Your procedure is okay only. So just check this one out. First formula we must write. So when sine C into sine D is there, then we will put 2 means it will become cos of C minus D minus cos of C plus D. This is the formula. When two sine, both sine is coming. Cos is coming means plus. Sine first cos means sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. Understood or not? So that formula writing, you remember the formula, sine C plus sine D formula. If you will not be remembering the formula, this story over. Look at 2 sine C into sine D cos D, I am telling you the formula. So here, but one thing is there, C should be greater than D. So here it will become what? Sine of C plus D plus sine of C minus D. This is one part. Understood? So I am just writing D capital, and here if 2 cos C sin D. Again C is greater than D, then it will become sine of C plus D minus sine of C minus D. This is what. But here they will say 2 cos of C into cos D will become cos of C plus D plus cos of C minus D. Understood. Cos of C plus D plus cos of C minus D. Understood or not? But when they will be asking you 2 sin C sin D, then it will become sine of, sorry, cos of minus cos of C plus D. Okay, minus cos of C plus D. Very good, sir. At least she tried this question. So now because this part will be written as what? We will multiply and multiply 2 here. It is coming as sine 3x into sine 2x dx. So this part will be coming as cos of, this part is coming as how much, Peter? Say cos of 3x minus 2x minus cos of 3x plus 2x dx. So half cos x minus cos 5x dx. So it is coming as half. It will become what it is? Sin x minus sin 5x by 2 plus, sorry, by 5 plus 1. You can make the story movies. And everyone's having your wishes in that. Okay, clear? हाँ, you can clear. I guess you can get to Rishika. हाँ, they can get. I children can get. Yeah, yeah. Everybody can eat. Students can eat, but I can't. Fine. Thank you. Yeah. Next question. So based on this formula, we can solve the questions. Now one question is there which is exactly again another expected pattern questions, because this question we have seen 2-3 times in examinations. So you need to be very careful. See, you need to solve question on your own. So one question is there which I wish you people to solve, because this is NCRT question and this question came in CBSE 2023. This is this is the fourth question for today. No, this is the fourth question which I am giving you right now. This is exactly 2023 question, and based on this format question, many times I told you solve this question, but again I am telling you please solve this question. This one done? You don't copy, you try to solve on your own. That's the most important thing. Now look here, this question, two pattern question, from the beginning I am telling you solve this type of question, again I am telling you. So this question is 1 by sine of, this is NCRT question, x minus a cos of, in all the schools this year they have given this question as important question. Understood? In all the schools, most of the set questions we are getting these two questions as important question for this year. Please don't leave this question. Practice nicely and go for exam. Some questions are very important. This is one of the most important questions for board examination. Understood? Go for it, please. I told you one trick of solving the questions. Any answer you got? Can I solve? I taught you a trick. Do you remember the trick? Now look here. First part, when sine and cos will be there. Remember the trick. First part, when sine and cos will be there you put cos A minus B. Understood? Sine cos means, one trick always remember, when here sine and cos is there, that time you put cos A minus B. Means here you have to multiply cos A minus B. When cos and cos will be there, both are exactly coming as cos. Both cos is there, then you multiply sine A minus B. Remember this. That's it. You will be able to solve the question. This is the most important part. You must remember how to go with this and how to solve the question. So, beta, what is this part coming as? Sine and cos coming as. This you have to multiply cos of A minus B. Okay. How one question anyone randomly we are going to solve, but another one you keep for examination and solve and go and write for board examination. Sir, what is the time? So you should pick up it at 4 o'clock, 4:30, na, so that you can reach in time. Mongo. Yes, they only you are good. Are you all ready? Now look here. So when you are exactly going to solve this question, you check this one out. 1 by cos of A minus B. Here it is coming as cos of A minus B by sine of x minus A cos of x minus B. This is one of the most important questions. Now look at 1 by cos of A minus B. Cos, here you need to do only one thing. Add x and subtract x. And here it is coming as sine of x minus A cos of x minus B dx. So here one time it will become, check here, cos A plus cos B, like format we are going to put. So here first part is x minus B. Then we will take minus common. So it will become x minus A. You don't talk. So it will become sine of x minus A cos of x minus B dx. Cos A minus cos B is cos of A into cos B plus sine of A into sine B by sine of x minus A cos of x minus B dx. Understood? So we will separate this one out. Now with the separation you will be able to solve this question. Now check this one out. This is one of the most important question. Again and again I am telling, in all the schools for revision they have given this as important question. Okay. Now separate this one out. It will become cos of x minus b cos x minus a by sine x minus a cos x minus b. So cos x minus b got cancelled. Plus 1 by cos of a minus b. This time it is coming as sine of x minus a sine of x minus b by down part is coming as sine of x minus a cos of x minus b dx. So this and this will get cancelled. So 1 by cos of a minus b. This part is cos by sine will become cot. So cot x minus a plus tan x minus b dx. Only you have to now integrate. Are you understanding this one? So now sorry, good evening, beta. Please be attentive in the last sessions. So Here what part will come? Part will become log sin x minus b. And here plus log tan will become secant x minus b bracket plus. So this is exactly the very iconic question, and this question, if you remember, this is the fourth important question of indefinite integrals I have given you. There are some sort of questions which CBSE is asking again and again. You need to understand that one. CBSE is asking again and again. You need to be very careful when you are solving the questions. Please do it. You need not to leave this type of question. This is the third very important question. Smadesh understood? Shakti, solve very clearly. Take time and solve, but you indicate and solve it properly. Did you got this, beta? Note down. Check. This is the iconic two questions are there. You store these videos. We will make a link of the most important questions. So indefinite integral, 3 classes we will take in that all important questions in practice. Like that. So formula first we will give in the group and some very important questions of indefinite integral for this year. Like that we will keep on practicing. Okay. Is this done? Now, fifth pattern question. Fifth pattern question is from NCERT only, our fifth important question. Like we can expect this question in board exam because they will be asking this type of questions. See, MCQ based questions also are different and writing based questions are different. Now look here, this is one question. If it will come in exam, this can I remove? See, another important question, this question given by AB school also, and this question given by IT local school, if they will see this, they can relate with my statement. This question is, come on, go for this question. Sin x, go for it, sin x minus cos x by x, go for it, x plus sin x. And your time starts now. You will definitely get confused like that. You will definitely get confused like that type of questions they will give. So please be careful, solve this question. This is question already came in board examination. Important for you, understand it. कौन सा बोर्ड है आपका? बोर्ड कौन सा है तभी तो पता चलेगा। Before exam now, keep phone one side and focus on studies. That's the most important thing you must do. Did you got the answer there? What is the answer? Say. Give any clue. This is NCRT question. No, this is not NCRT question. This already came in board examination. Now can I solve this question? It was sin x minus kt. One thing I have missed, I guess. I'll put here one x. Oh, after that also you will not be able to solve. Yes, solve. Okay, I'll start there. Now look at first is sin x is there and minus x 10 years question only I am doing right now. Right now I am doing that only 10 years questions only I am doing. Whatever 10 years questions are there now, more than 10 years, 15 years questions I am taking. We have 15 years questions and right now whatever questions and this question what I gave is this question what I gave is 2015 question. So but we have understood. So now look at, so most important thing is what we are going to do here is we will first add sin x plus x minus x cos x by x plus sin x. Why we did like this? Because here one thing is there x plus sin x is there and we are not getting any chance of taking anything out. Correct? So first what we will do? We will take two together. We will take as x plus sin x one side and then minus when we are taking common it is coming x plus, check this one out. If you will take minus x common it will become 1 plus cos x. Got it? X plus sin x dx. So now here what is the new strategy we are going to implement here? Check this one out. So here one time x plus sin x by x into x plus sin x dx minus x 1 plus cos x by x plus sin x dx. So this and this will get cancelled. I hope you might have understood. Now this question is nothing because 1 by x dx will become what? Log x. And here, if you will take 1 plus cos x by x plus sin x. So only I told you these questions must be solved by you people. Stop joking and doing unwanted words. Now look at it. So here it will come log of x minus this part if you will take it as t. So it will become what? 1 plus cos x by t into dt by 1 plus cos x. Cancel. Why? Because let x plus sin x is equal to t. After differentiation 1 plus cos x is equal to dt by dx. So dx is equal to dt by 1 plus cos x. So we note here we are going to implement this. So this part will become plus C. So correct answer is coming as log of x minus log of t. T means x plus sin x plus C, and the story is over. So you need to understand here. Yes, absolutely correct. Mike is there. Yes, answer is absolutely correct. Answer is correct. You need to solve like this only. You need to be very careful when you are solving this type of questions. How you are solving this type of questions. Every step by step you must check. Understood? So now this is fourth important type question. वॉइस इको हो रहा है क्योंकि बॉक्स खराब हो गया है वॉइस बॉक्स लिटिल बिट इको होगा 1 or 2 days new sound box is coming till then you have to adjust. This was fourth question or fifth question? Say is it done? We'll go for the next question, please. Get ready. This is one pattern question. If this type questions coming means story over for you. Miss, will you be able to solve these type questions? Another one question is there. Same pattern, but this is the test question for you. And your time starts now. Solve it. सही था discuss no problem after discussion you tell me correct or not जरूर करिए किसने मना किया I never told anyone not to solve. I am always saying solve. Anyone able to solve? Come on, say fast. Okay, Alice. After solving, you can send a screenshot. Let's see you are able to solve or not. But this is a very important question. Already came 3 times in board exam. Not 1 time, 2 times. 3 times they have asked this question in board exam. So 100% this question is very, very important. All important questions only I am giving you. Vishwa, what is that? I am having another class, sir. Okay, Kishore, did you solve it? Can I solve, Kishore? Can I solve now? Yeah, nothing is there in this question. This more than this difficult question we have solved. Already this question one time I taught. I told you now you need to minus it there. Na? One you add a and then you subtract it. So it will become what? Sine of x plus a dx. So now here you do one thing. Which one is addition part? This part. So one time you take x plus a and then minus 2a will be separated by sine of x plus a dx. More than this difficult question we have already solved. So sine a minus b formula will be what? Sine a cos b will become sine of this into cos 2a minus cos of x plus this into sine 2a by sine of x plus a dx. Now what is this? Nothing is there. Separate this one out. Sine of x plus a cos 2a by sine of x plus a dx minus cos of x plus a sine 2a by sine of x plus a dx. This and this will get cancelled, it will become x cos 2a minus, this one will become sine 2a into cot x plus a dx. Okay, cot x plus a dx when you are solving. Understood now? So here it is coming as x cos 2a minus sine 2a. Cot formula will be what, right? Log, cot formula will be what? Log sine x plus a. Yes, this is the answer. I hope everyone solved. Kishore, you didn't send me the solution. The one like little, see, the questions which came 2 to 3 to 4 times in CBSE, one time we must do this type of questions. Understood now? So I think you learn the trick now, where and all, what and all things are there. See, if like this question, now one more question is like this, cos of x plus a by sine of x plus b. Now did you got the trick, what you have to add and subtract here? B you have to add and subtract. That's the biggest trick. Here it will become cos of x plus a plus b and minus b. And here x plus b is there. Now one word you have to take x plus b and separate out a minus b. That's the most important thing we must remember. Are you understanding? These pattern questions coming means you must be knowing how to solve this type of questions. Now, see, this is the first video for indefinite integrals and we are handling those questions which are very, very important. So this playlist we are going to get available for the student before examination also. We will be knowing that these questions are compulsory to solve. Got it? Compulsory to solve and they need some tricks to solve. Now next question, because this question is again an expected questions. First we will handle all expected questions. Understood? So this was the first video for expected questions. Next part can we do? So this question we will be able to handle cos of x plus a. What you have to add and subtract? Understood? So how you are going to resolve this one? Sine of x plus b. For that trigonometric formula must be here. So it will become what? X plus b and then plus a minus b. So this will come in the formula cos of a plus b. Cos of a plus b is cos a cos b minus
Sin A, sin B. See, you can separate, but after that you need to know the formula. Trigonometry formula, if it is missing, means 100% you won't be able to solve any question. I hope you might have understood. Very good, Shivaranjani. That's very cool and very nice steps. Super. Very good. That's what all the other sections now, all the other classes now, they are sending me the screenshots, so I'm directly able to know that these answers they are writing. Understood? Shall we go for the next one, please? This is a question. I am not going to give you any single clue for this question. Come out of this question on your own. And this question, I think this is NCRT question first. And this question has been solved many times. And this is an important question for you people. Get ready for this question. Question is tan x into secant square x tan x into secant square x. Tan to the power 2 is there, beta. Tan to the power 2 whole x whole square. Wait, I'll add it. See, whatever is there, in outside you take any because this is nearly 40 50 days sadhana over. I'm not taking onion and garlic. In between breaking meals, I believe, but non-veg and everything. Green or red it is there. Green or red. Check. Dot is green or red. Egg is there. I will not touch also. You take you. I'm taking class, please. Can I solve? The question was wrong. No, because the question is absolutely correct. No problem in question. Question is absolutely correct. Question is not wrong. Can I solve? See, I will take this one as a plus b tan square x is equal to b. Right? So this differentiation of a will become 0. B apply chain rule. Differentiation of tan square x with respect to tan x into b of tan x dx is equal to dt by dx. So here it will b will be as it is. So tan x will become now 2 tan x into this part will become secant square x is equal to dt by dx. So here tan x into secant square x by this part you have taken b, so it will become now b square into dt by 2b tan x into secant square. This and this will get cancelled. Understood? So now I hope you might have got very good solution. Can you send me the solution, Shivaranjani? Because sending solution means it will give us clarity. So here it will become tan e to the power minus 2. So here e to the power minus 2 is 1 by 2 e to the power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. What is t beta? A plus b tan square x is there. You check tan square x. I took. Shivaranjani got the answer. Correct one. This is question number. Which question number? Today's sixth important question. Now, it is 6 important questions. Means how many questions you were able to solve? On an average, which questions you took out and you will be able to solve. Like these questions are also very, means this is first video where we are putting important questions, only important questions for solving. Another NCRT question which is very expected for this year is, now note down these questions. See, only NCRT plus exemplar plus 2 to 3 times asked questions, now they becomes very important for us. This question came in CBSE 2020. Please kindly try this question. Tan cube x into secant cube x dx. And your time starts now. Go for it. Very good, Shiva. Nice. Super. Good. They are sending the screenshots of the answers what they are writing. So it becomes very easy for me. You sitting here also will not do. Don't worry. No need. You solve and show me here only. I'm here. Come on, solve the question, please. Can I solve? See, look here, whenever odd degree is given now, this is the biggest group for you, this part. So first work is, we will take this one. Tan cube x secant cube x is there. So can we take tan and secant one time? Tan x into secant x separately. Now what left is tan square x and secant square x. Okay? Directly we will do one thing. We will take this. Shall we take this one? Now look here. If we will take tan x is equal to t, what will happen? If we will take secant x is equal to t, then what will happen? Secant x is equal to t I am taking. Then what will happen? Tan x will be written as secant square x minus 1 into secant square x. Now I separated tan x into secant x dx. Now I am taking secant x is equal to t. So let secant x is equal to t. Differentiation of this one will become what better? Secant x into tan x is equal to dt by dx. So dx is equal to dt by secant x into tan x. So what will we get here? Now this part will become t square minus 1 t square into tan x into secant x into dt by secant x into tan x. So this one will get cancelled. It will become t to the power 4 minus t square dt. So it is coming as t to the power 5 by 5 minus t cube by 3 plus. Did you understood it? Huh? How to solve the question? Did you got this? This is exactly, I think some students have sent the answer. Good. So shall we start? So this pattern question is already most of the time I taught in the class. 3D questions. Most of the questions I already taught. So intelligent people are there, they are not here. Wow, this single question is case study questions we have to do more. Adesh, read your solve the next question. Done. So we are going to keep it till here. That is one of our class. So now we are going to keep this much till here. Enjoy your time. Please practice this video questions. Please practice. Okay. Bye everyone. Kishore, if any question doubts are there, Gokulam students, if any question doubts are there, please kindly send me. I will solve it. Bye. Bye.